So this particular revenue schedule is 100% ready now. We've gone through and made sure that it's completely isolated, and we've also quickly done an auto color to make sure that we have the proper font colors embedded here for the other users that are going to be downloading the schedule. What we want to do now is upload it to the library. One thing to notice before we upload the schedule is that over here, column A appears to be blank, but we're actually using it as a navigational column. So what we've embedded right here in cell A2 is just a space. Same thing here in this cell by the cost schedule. There's an invisible space there. We use these to stop us as we travel up and down. So we can go control down and hit this one, control down to the cost schedule, working capital, depreciation, etc. and all the way back up just by using the control key in the arrows. We often refer to this as a navigational column. We're just bringing this to your attention because there's definitely value in having a navigational column. It can help you navigate up and down through a really large vertical stack quickly using the keyboard. We're mentioning it here because when we upload the schedule, we're not just going to be uploading this part of the schedule, we're also going to be uploading here column A so that we can get all of those navigational spaces in place for the other users. Okay, let's do our first upload. As you can see, we've carefully selected the revenue schedule, including the navigational column in column A. Want to go up to the Macabacus section of the ribbon. We're going to click Settings, and now we're going to click Library Manager. This dialog box comes up. We're going to navigate to our shared test library that we've set up in previous videos, and down here to where it says Tables, let's click on Tables, and what we're going to do is we're going to form here, we're going to click New Group, and we're going to call this Operational Schedules, just like that, and then click OK. And it's given us a confirmation that a new group has been created. And now we're going to go ahead in the next step and upload the revenue schedule. So what we want to do next is click down on this new group that we've created called Operational Schedules and use this button. We're going to click here where it says Publish to Group. We can either publish all selected ranges and all sheets in this workbook, but we're going to select this second option here, publish the selected range on the active workbook. And for the title, we're going to put in Revenue Schedule, just like that. And we're going to click here, Publish. As we see, we get a positive confirmation back. The content's been added to the library. Let's click OK there. And then we're going to close out of this dialog box. Next up, we have a critically important step. We have now published this to the library, but we haven't yet shared it with other users. What we want to do, back up to the Macabacus section of the ribbon, under Settings, now we go not into the Library Manager, but all the way down here, and let's click where it says Share. This brings up the Share Settings dialog box. We want to make sure that we have this checked on right here for shared libraries. Now let's click this Publish button, just like that. We're going to get a positive confirmation that the shared settings have now been updated. We're going to click OK to this, and we're going to close out of this dialog box. So now what we've done is we've published the revenue schedule, but we've also shared it out across the organization with all the other users. Let's hop into the next video where we're going to show you how to access this revenue schedule as a user and insert it into the models that you're building. If you're enjoying these tips and would like to see more of our content, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for your support, and we'll see you soon in the next video.